Hello traders. Today is the last trading day of the week, 10th of Jan 2025. We were waiting for the NFP news. The data is released. We had amazing trade, guys. Most of the traders bank amazing pips. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market and helping our traders through 4-hour analysis and the intraday analysis to squeeze an amazing profit. Let's look at. All right, so let's look at the gold now. As you have seen in my previous analysis, our bias is long. So we were expecting some sort of price action around this level with possibility because we might be a short trade here, but our bias was long. So after this NFP news data release, you can see here this is the rejection. As soon as we find this rejection, so as I explained my trade, we also had a counter short trade here, but mainly as expected, we explained my trader just keep taking a pullback long trade here. We had amazing trade, guys. So expecting here around this level, let me explain to you. This is the area where you can see here the price previously respected here. So I'm expecting if the price gonna continue, that's the area where I'm expecting this is the level which I'm expecting some price should give us some price action. But let's see how this is gonna go. But let me share with you how we analyze the entries and exits. So if you look at the gold, all of my analysis, you can see one, two, three, four, five, six analysis. This is intraday analysis. If you look at this analysis this morning, that was a pretty standard and structure breakout, which is the symmetric triangle pattern breakout. Again, that's the part of the training why we're expecting high probability of long and first as based on the 4 hours. Second, we give them price action explaining them that there might be a possibility. So we had this beautiful long trade here, price nicely broken. After this breakout, we have this beautiful pullback long trade, paying few pips, and after that we had it another beautiful long trade here. That is again, we always look for the price to develop certain structure, and then based on that we look for the trade here, which is we already explained in our traders. Price previously developed a double bottom here, so price retest third time here, so there might be a possibility of breakout, which we explain our traders. As you can see here, the price nicely broken, and afterward, as mentioned, momentum is bullish, so any pullback would consider high probability trade. So we explained all that trades through live audio commentary. As soon as the certain profit target hit, we explain at least bank some profit on gold. That was a beautiful trade we had it, and afterwards we also had a pullback long trade here. That was the just before the NFP news. So you can see here that's the data we explained to trader to look for pullback. So we had this beautiful explain everything. We're going to take a short trade here once the price refuse to break stay above this level, but we need a confirmation. But as you can see, any pullback as explained here, we have this beautiful pullback is performed, then we pull back, then another pullback as I explained my trader. Any pullback in this direction would be considered high probability trade. As soon as the price hit to the certain profit target, we explain our traders time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade after the NFP news. We amazing trade, guys. We had it. And then later on, once the price hit, we also had, like, for example, you can see here, price is reversing here. So we also had a counter short trade here. So let me explain to you. But again, that's purely price action, which we explain our trader price refused to stay above this level. That might be a possibility of counter opportunity, but we recommend counter opportunity only if you already have this nice rally. So looking for this breakout, as you can see here, the price nicely broken, momentum was bearish, as price nicely hit to the fib channel. That's what explained my traders time to bank some profit, because this is the counter trade here. So bank few pp's, and afterwards we start journey again, a long trade here, as you can see here in this analysis, which is a pretty straightforward as explained my trader pullback. And we have, as long as the price stay above this level, there's another possibility breakout and pullback, hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as explained, let the price develop another structure, and let the price break and give us another confirmation to continuation to the upside. Then we had, and this is the, I just finished my day, and this is the another analysis we had, which is the this is another symmetric triangle pattern, which is nicely priced broken. As explained, as soon as the price is gonna hit this orange EMA, which is we explain in our intraday system, breakout any high probability. As soon as the price hit a certain profit target, we explain our traders time to bank some profits. So you can see, guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, in here in in trading view, and then we refine all these entries through intraday system, which we have our own proprietary system. So let's see here. So another trade we had, that was the beautiful, I believe, dollar yen. We had a nice trade here. So you can see here, as soon as the NFP came, we have this long trade here, bank some profit as soon as the price respected and the previous high. As soon as the price reversed, we also had a counter at the beginning. We considered as a counter. Then later on, I said, guys, now the price is coming down, so just keep enjoying it. So let's see finishing of this candle. If this is a bearish engulfing candle, that's a good sign. And if the price can develop another pullback, then I'm expecting continuation. We'll see, because this candle is not finished yet. But let me share with you guys how we analyze, how we had a long trade here at the NFP, and how we had a short trade here and bank amazing profit on dollar yen. So if you look at the dollar yen, and we had it, let me explain to you. This is the trade we had it, a long trade here, which is we also had the short trade, bank some profit. But as I explained here, clearly, straightforward, that this is the area where I'm expecting possibility of pullback. So you can see here, price refused impulsively. We didn't see. This is why our intraday system is very useful for us. We haven't seen any red candle. We haven't seen any pullback. We had this breakout, and the price broken, and price nicely hit to the previous, which is we announced through live ID commentary. Price develop a double bottom here. That's a good sign. Beautiful breakout, amazing, and then pull back. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, we explain our traders time to at least consider banking some profit. After banking some profit, we continuously monitoring the price. So then we have another beautiful counter trade here. Once we see the price develop, there might be a possibility. Again, you can see here the price develop high and low, as explained. Possibility of, you can see a head and shoulder pattern, but we are looking as if the price gonna break this, come out from the structure. Then we're looking if the price gonna break, long here, otherwise short. As soon as the price broke on, we announce this trade through live audio commentary, guys. It's time to enjoy a counter short trade here. We also announce take another short trade here. Then we have another, because in a 4 hour the price was a major resistance level, and in intraday we had a in head and shoulder pattern that give us the confident, high probability. And short trade has it, as long as the momentum is bearish, we bank some profit. And we had a last trade that was amazing trade. That was another pretty standard and straightforward. As mentioned, we had this beautiful short trade here. As explained, this is the area which previously price respected. This is the area, and you can see here price also respected here. And look for the structure breakout and look for the opportunity. As you can see here, as mentioned here in the analysis, price nicely failed to break, and momentum is bearish. And that was another beautiful trade. First target and the final target hit. As explained by trader, at least consider banking some profit. That was a beautiful short trade on dollar yen. And look at, let me share one more for with you guys. Let's look at the pound dollar. So pound dollar pretty straightforward. As explained by trader, we, if you look at here, the previously price respected here in 4 hour, and we were expecting a pullback. And even if you look at the price action, we have this impulsive, sort of like a consolidation correction. We were expecting this thing, and NFP has made nice easier. So we had a beautiful short trade here. Now what we're expecting here, let's see here, the price broken. If the price respect continuation, false breakout, then long here, we'll let you know next week. But let me share with you how we had taken this nice beautiful trade on pound dollar. That was a beautiful trade, short trade here. We had it beautiful, as you can see here. Price nicely respected, and beautiful short trade after that pullback. Bank amazing profit on pound dollar. All right, let me, okay, another one is pound yen. Let's look at the pound yen. Okay, pretty straightforward. We were, as explained to my trader, we have, this is the area which previously price broken, low area. So we were price nicely broken. As if the price gonna respect, if you look at this candlestick pattern, we have spikes that's give us the rejection sign. So we were expecting a short trade here. We had a nice, beautiful short trade here. Afterwards, we announced another one breakout. Nicely hit. This is the target which we were expecting it. We had a nice, beautiful trade. And let me share with you how we analyze the market. This is the trade, pretty standard and straightforward. That's the beautiful breakout. And after the non-farm payroll release, we says let's wait price. We develop certain structure and look for this breakout. After this breakout, as soon as the price gonna break any orange EMA, take a short trade here. Even if you can see here the price develop a bearish a flag pattern. We also did another analysis just to help our trader not to miss this opportunity. I did another analysis here. Look for this breakout. Let me share with you guys this one I'm talking about. And this is the another pretty standard. I said, like, guys, this is the area point of interest. That's the area which we were looking here. As you can see here, price nicely respected and beautiful breakout and sign of continuation. So once the price develop a certain direction, we constantly updating that information based on the 4 hour buys. So make sure the trader can squeeze maximum pips. So we had another, as soon as the price hits certain target, we explain our traders time to at least consider banking some pips. That was a beautiful trade we had it. We also had a short trade on a euro yen. All the yen pair was moving. This is another pretty standard and straightforward, beautiful short trade. And if you look at the target, this is the target what I'm expecting it. And let's see here the price action here. So if you look at this is the pretty standard and straightforward. We were looking this point of interest just before. After the non-farm payroll, we have this non-farm payroll reaction. As he explained, this is pure price action. We said if the price gonna break, then keep taking a pullback, and if the price cannot break, that's the sign of continuation to the downside. So if you look at here, based on this one, the price nicely broken this one, beautiful, and after that price you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful. After that, as a pullback, and hit to the profit target, bank some profit on euro. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. This is what exactly we do every single day live. If you are interested to watch those analyses in real time live through live audio commentary support, most welcome. Join my fast growing today community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.